First test run is with marinated boneless thighs turned on the grill. Now that I know the ingredients, I'm especially aware of the ginger and pineapple. We're going to break down the whole process step by step. The first thing I notice is the sauce. It's got a honey amber hue to it, and if you look closely you can see lots of tiny red specks. The taste is sweet, but also deeply savory and with some tang. And of course smoky, but that's coming from the wood, not the sauce. Huli chicken was invented in 1955 by Ernest Morgado and Mike Asagi. They were the founders of Poultry Pacific. At a farmer's meeting, they hulied some chickens between two grills, and it took off from there. The marinade they basted them with was described as a special teriyaki sauce. Ubiquitous, of course, in the West, the word itself breaks down to the shine of the sauce, as well as the cooking method of broiling or grilling. 3 parts. Soy sauce gives the base of umami, about as much honey or sugar for sweetness, and some acidity to cut through in the form of sake or mirin, a sweet cooking wine. The question then is, what makes huli sauce a special teriyaki? In fact, put it in the comments below. What do you think the secret ingredients will be? The big difference is swapping pineapple juice in for sake as the acid. Also, ginger is a prominent flavor like usual in Hawaii. In my opinion, there's gotta be some spice, and the best options are sriracha or chili pepper water. You can watch our how-to video on that in the link in the upper right corner. And I can't prove it, but Morgado was second-generation Portuguese, and I can't help but think at least some of those red specks are from a signature spice in Portugal, paprika. First test run is with marinated boneless thighs turned on the grill. Paprika may or may not be my own addition, but it works either way. This is delicious. I can tweak it a bit, but we know we've got the sauce right. Next step, these coals provide the heat, but it's not huli chicken without the signature flavor of the wood smoke. We've come over to the Kona side to gather what might be the single most important factor in an authentic recipe: kiave wood. These trees were brought by missionaries in the 19th century, and today line large swaths of coast on the dry side of every island. They're also a tropical member of the mesquite family, the type used in world-famous Texas barbecue. Pairing this bold and unique flavor with chicken is unusual, a Hawaii culinary contribution. Aloha and welcome to our channel called Eat and Be Eaten. We're on a journey to discover everything we can about the food and food culture of Hawaii. Popular modern dishes like lokomoko, huli chicken, saimin, and shave ice, as well as the customary Hawaiian foods and traditions. Here we make an imu, or underground oven, to cook laulau, which are bundles of pork, fish, and vegetables wrapped in luau leaves and steamed/barbecued in the pit. We hunt for wild boar and make Portuguese sausages, spearfish and polefish along the reefs, gather wild ferns to make ho'io salad, and crabs for kamaboko dip. We'll show you about poke, local goat cheeses, picking plums way up on the mountain to make lihing mui, and canoe plants like coconuts, kalo, and bananas. Plus popular sides like koele palau, chili pepper water, inamona, and more. If you like the sound of those kinds of things, hit the subscribe and the bell. New videos on weekends. This is Eat and Be Eaten Hawaii. Aloha!